The kidneys are vital organs in the human body, primarily responsible for filtering blood, removing waste products, and maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance. The functional units of the kidneys are called nephrons, each consisting of a glomerulus and a tubule. Blood enters the kidneys through the renal arteries and flows into the glomerulus, a network of tiny capillaries. Here, blood pressure forces water, ions, and small molecules like glucose and waste products out of the blood and into the Bowman's capsule, forming filtrate. Small molecules like water, salts, glucose, and urea are filtered, while larger molecules like proteins and blood cells remain in the blood. The filtrate moves through the renal tubules, which include the proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule. Essential substances like glucose, amino acids, and ions such as sodium, potassium, and calcium are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. Water is also reabsorbed to maintain hydration and blood pressure. About 99% of the filtrate is reabsorbed, leaving only waste and excess substances to be excreted. Additional waste products, toxins, and excess ions like hydrogen and potassium are actively secreted from the blood into the tubules to be excreted in urine. This process helps fine-tune electrolyte balance and remove substances not initially filtered. The remaining fluid, now called urine, contains water, urea, creatinine, and excess ions. Urine flows from the tubules into the renal pelvis, then through the ureters to the bladder, where it is stored until excretion via the urethra. The kidneys adjust water reabsorption to maintain blood volume and pressure. They regulate levels of sodium, potassium, calcium, and phosphate. The kidneys excrete hydrogen ions and reabsorb bicarbonate to maintain blood pH. They release renin, an enzyme that activates the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, regulating blood pressure. The kidneys produce erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates red blood cell production. The kidneys convert vitamin D into its active form, calcitriol, which helps regulate calcium absorption in the intestines. The kidneys excrete metabolic waste products like urea from protein metabolism, creatinine from muscle metabolism, and uric acid from nucleic acid breakdown.